Hello guys, I'm Miko, welcome back. White might be a little bit tricky to paint, that's why I thought I will share with you my method for white hair on The Witcher. It will be also the last part of The Witcher series. I hope you have enjoyed it. Let's start! Paint Blade Brown will be the first highlight that I'm gonna apply on his hair. So do this for the rest of the head without painting the areas between the different flocks of the hair and leave it to dry. And this is the effect after the first layer. Give this a minute or two to dry and we will take on with the next one. I added ice yellow to the previous color and will continue highlighting with a little bit reduced area. This is the effect after the second layer. Give this a moment to dry and we will continue with the next highlight. I am continuing highlighting with ice yellow and reducing the painted area as in the previous step. This is the result after the third highlight. I will give it a minute or two and we'll keep on highlighting. With a mix of ivory and ice yellow, I keep on highlighting the very tips. Thanks guys for attention, I hope you have enjoyed this. If yes, please like, subscribe and comment down below. I hope I will see you the next time. Have a nice week. Bye bye.